So, before joining the Be10x Workshop, what stage of your career were you in? What were the challenges you were facing?
Before joining or before knowing AI, I was at the verge of going to mountains, being a monk, and that's what I wanted to be. The reason is when you go up the ladder in professional life, people see that okay, he's the one who's not doing anything. But at the background, the things what you're doing is analyzing each and every individual of the organization every day. Then, being a 20 years experience, you definitely understand he's manipulating things and all this. AI is another wing, and B10X has definitely helped me out to reach out to what exactly I was thinking.
Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, we are joined by Karan Sethi, who's here to share how learning AI through the Be10x Workshop helped him upskill and boost his confidence. Today, we will talk about his journey, the lessons that made the biggest difference, and how he's still using the AI skills in his career today. So, Karan, welcome.
Thank you. Thank you for that great introduction. But I have no one. I am just learning AI. I have implemented a lot of things during my personal and professional life. And definitely B10X has been the anchor of it.
So, tell us a little about yourself, your background, and what you're doing professionally now.
That's a lot of things I'm doing right now. But professionally, if in case I talk about, I've started my career with one of a big brand, you call it, Wipro.
Wipro.
Uh, they have showed me the path of technology. And from there, it has been a long journey. I've been into ethical hacking, white hacking training as well. I've given training for the same as well. Being a professional technology freak, you can call me, but the one who's stuck in sales environment.
All right.
So that's actually some paradox situation which I'm in. Along with it, I'm recently working with one of an Australian-based company who's into data recovery, cyber crimes, and all those. I'm a very small part of it, but still, I've been there for some time, and that's all about me.
All right. So before joining the Be10x Workshop, what stage of your career were you in? What were the challenges you were facing at the point?
Before joining or before knowing I was at the verge of going to mountains, being a monk, and that's what I wanted to be. The reason is when you go up the ladder in professional life, people see that okay, he's the one who's not doing anything. But at the background, the things what you're doing is analyzing each and every individual of the organization every day, and that too manually. Sometimes there it's get hectic. People complain that they're doing 7 hours extra shift, or probably they're doing something. But if in case you look at my perspective, learn AI because I've done that. It's a cheat code for your life, for your professional life, and it'll give you things what you personally will take 2 days, 3 days maybe. It can give you in minutes. I have done that. I have provided certain inputs which has been somewhat curated by me, which includes Six Sigma, which includes the data and my own inputs. That has given me the performance analysis, which I had to share with my bosses, which generally take a month. I was late, and started off a week earlier before the presentation, and I was done 3 days before what exactly the end or the deadline, you may say. So here AI will has definitely helped me out. Professionally, it has given me wings, I would say. Because see, getting into a 20 plus years old career, sometime in the career you think, okay, everything has done, you've reached everything, now you should go retire. But still, I've tried business as well, job, business, everything, wherever you are. Now you need AI.
There's AI everywhere.
AI everywhere. If in case you know AI, you can do things which will take, let's say, days in minutes. Collecting data, probably at any level you are, AI will help you downsize the time you're spending for your input, and you should focus on the productivity.
Yeah.
Mainly interacting with customers is what you do. I'll come on to that part as well, where you can B10X has helped me out cut down that part as well.
All
So
right. So how did you first hear about the Be10x Workshop and what made you decide to enroll? Also, what were you hoping to achieve from it?
achieve is something which is a very larger word. I would say I wanted myself to get a heat of that cup, which exactly I'm going to drink now.
You were
So
curious about the
curious
AI.
about, see, AI was there every place, but getting on to B10X, I first got introduced to some other company who had a kind of environment, or probably the way they give their workshops is they give you 9 hours workshop on Saturday and 9 hours workshop on Sunday, and that's it. So that I have attended that 9 hours sitting straight like classrooms, and after being into a 20 plus years of experience, that doesn't help. But B10X came to my mind when I was searching for the same institute. B10X came in and had helped me out in Instagram. I probably that is what exactly, yeah,
Ads.
ads through that. Then I researched about it. I started getting feeds. I researched about it. It was a very, very lucrative type of plan. I applied for it, and moreover, the person who called me up helped me out to answer a lot of things before I get into B10X. My the time I wanted, because being professional, you need something which is fixed and you as per
Yeah.
your timing. So I got that. That is the first attachment I got with B10X, because normally you doesn't get the same way. So that is where I entered. I went ahead with the first class with Aditya sir. Then the second was Aditya Goenka. So both co-founders took my first or second classes. So that left a lot of good impression, because the people I am learning from, they know what they are teaching,
Yeah.
and the way they were teaching. And see, I am from a tech background. Maybe I don't know what exactly they are saying, but if in case anyone in tech industry say a lie, then being a 20 years experience, you definitely understand he's manipulating things and all those. Here I never felt that. I've invested my life in 25 years in tech industry. AI is another wing, I would say, and B10X has definitely helped me out to reach out to what exactly I was thinking.
What were the most valuable AI tools, concepts, or techniques that you learned?
When I joined in, I was only aware that Chat GPT is the god. Okay, everyone has that concept.
Yeah.
So when I joined in, I learned Chat GPT is one of an assistant who will help you out, but there's a lot of background things which was there I can learn from. So I got introduced by Claude. Then we come up with certain tools called NA10. NA10 is one of an automation tool where which can you can use it to automate a lot of things. Even posting a video online can be
Done
done
by
through
that,
that and
automated.
automated. Apart from that, which I am using right now in my personal and professional life as well, that is one is an NA10, that is just helping me out to sort a lot of automation. Plus VAPI, that is something which is helping me out to reach my company's customers who've lost touch. Probably they're now calling back just to check if everything is okay and things like that, or probably reminding them we are there.
So, looking back at your journey now, learning AI through Beatenix, how has it helped you in your career? And can you share a few examples?
There has been a lot of impact in my personal and professional life as well. One of the case which I'll tell you. See, every company has developer team, developer who will help you out to introduce new tools and get your idea into concept. So I'm working with a company which I said people are from Australia, and it is really hard for someone as an Indian to get something done overseas. So what I have started doing after AI, I have started making prototype of the tools which I need. Then I do not have to depend on the developer, get it approved through my seniors, and then from the right source, if you get an order, you get it done. So I that is one of a thing. Plus, if in case I talk about personal life, one of a story I would like to share that during the time of scams, we are into a era of scams.
Yeah.
See, earlier it's just the minister who used to do it. It's now every person who's calling you is not a person. Okay, so he may be portraying, or he may be making you believe that he's someone you know, or probably someone from legitimate organization, and make you fall for some lucrative offer and take away all the money you have. So it happened to one of my friend. He lost somewhere around 10 lakhs in crypto. Although I call him my guru. We started off this technical journey together. So he lost 10 lakhs because
10 lakhs is a big
10,
amount.
yes, and that is at the time when he was trying to build a new house. He fell for it. Then this like next coming week, my sister lost near about 6 lakhs for a new car to these scammers only. Same crypto
Oh.
scam. And when I investigated what exactly happened, that they was introduced through a WhatsApp message, and through a group they were added, and then they were lucrative and things like people were posting things up there. So I come up with an idea this after this AI when I was doing three. So I come up with an idea. Why don't we put up something which will investigate the email, the concept, or probably whatever has been pitched to you? Is it right or wrong? There have been few platforms earlier in the online one, but what they do, if the first person reports it, it will tell it it's safe. Okay, let's say for the very first time a template has been created and you are the first one to receive it. You check it on that particular platform, it will say no, it's safe.
It's safe.
If the second or third person posts it, then it'll just come up maybe. And then if it's 10 people, then it'll strongly say it's a scam. But the Trust Lens AI, the software which I created and submitted as a project in Be10x, that was inspired by those things what has happened. It works on the emails what you receive. It classifies itself based on three things: the force it's asking you to do, the language it has been doing, and the action it's asking you to do. So based on those three, these are three triggers. Actually, they will try to put you into a
Yeah.
situation where you listen to them. So these based on these things, the software will detect if the email is right or not. Plus, when you send a screenshot, it will analyze itself. You don't have to copy paste. You can copy paste. You can screenshot. You can just even attach the attachment as well.
Yeah.
It'll just come up with things. And even if you are the first one to enter that information, it will tell you that it's scam. Unlike other people, so it has
Because it's
helped
analyzing it,
analyzing it
modeling.
using AI,
Yeah.
natural language models. Along with it, there's Hugging Face, some scanning tools as well. Plus, my experience being into the ethical hacking industry, where how they do, because I'm on the other side, I know what they
Yeah.
are doing, so what they can attempt. So those things, as I said, come up together, build a new recipe, and that's what I'm serving to audience now.
And that's amazing. So, if you compare yourself before and after the workshop, what is the biggest change that you have noticed?
I've been more confident on things which I used to avoid earlier. That's the one liner. If in case I say what has changed is knowing a lot of things which you never had sources to learn.
Finally, if somebody is thinking about joining the Be10x workshop but is still unsure, what would you like to say to them?
I was thinking of this thing. Few of other people have asked me this thing as well around me. Why should I join B10X and all those? I say AI is one of a need which will happen in future. You can check the news. Everyone is saying AI will eat up your job. AI will eat up. It will not be an AI which will be doing it. It will be the individual who knows AI will be taking your job. So AI is one of a thing what you need to learn. Okay, you have several options. I'm not forcing anyone to join B10X, but looking at my experience, B10X has been there keeping my back every time. It's not just what I'm learning from the course. They have given me certain replies when I've sent them email, which is outside the course as well. I'm learning all things by myself. So that is what you need to come up. You cannot go to a kindergarten, learn ABC and those things again. You have your own pace set up. Being at age what you are, you will not be learning at very slow speed, or probably your lifestyle is something which you are from inspired from South Indian movies, and you want everything to happen just by like that. So B10X, I have personally felt that it gives you both. It works the way you want it, because I have got recordings as well. I missed something during that time, I can get back to the recording, learn at my pace if I'm that slow. If I am very fast in learning things, you get a lot of assessments, you get a lot of projects lying up in your LMS. You can try learning through that. It's not just what you're getting through the mentors only. The LMS, what they have developed, is something which will help you give your own time. It's let's say we are working on RAG server, and you have something related to a project which is there in your LMS, which I've done that how to implement AI in your business. There's one of a course in LMS in B10. So if I have a question through that and I ask the mentor through my time, I can ask them. They do answer it. So that's what you need. Any student will learn when their teacher understand and respect your pace,
Yeah.
not to make you learn at their own
You
pace.
can choose how you learn.
Just like I gave you an example, I went
Yeah.
with another company who gave you 7 hours or 9 hours a day in 2 days and you're done. You get a certification regardless of you have learned anything, you have not learned anything. They'll give you a certification that you are done. So that is not what B10X does. B10X will give you the requirements. B10X will tell you, ask you questions, what you are looking forward to, will commit those things, and they have come up with things as well, which my personal thing is. That's why B10X, your own pace, that's what a lot of people need.
So, Karan, thank you so much for joining us.
It was a pleasure. Thank you for inviting me. Thanks, Team B10X.
Unlock your success with B10X.